Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to send manual reminders to recipients of bulk send documents in BoldSign. Manual reminders are essential for reminding recipients to review or sign documents, ensuring the timely completion of signing processes in BoldSign. By sending manual reminders, users can efficiently manage the signing process and ensure that tasks are completed on time, thus enhancing overall efficiency. It's important to note that manual reminders can be sent to all recipients associated with the document, once per day, without affecting auto-reminder configurations. Additionally, manual reminders can only be sent for documents that are still in progress. Consider a scenario where an HR manager uses BoldSign's bulk send feature to manage onboarding agreements for new employees. As the expiration date approaches, with only 2 employees left to sign, the HR manager sends manual reminders to those who haven't signed, ensuring all agreements are completed on time and streamlining the workflow. Let me demonstrate how the HR manager would do that in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the bulk send menu and choose My Bulk Send to navigate to the My Bulk Send page. Here a list of all bulk send is displayed. I need to send a manual reminder to the new employees who have not yet signed the agreement. To do this, I locate and click the Onboarding Agreements to navigate to the Bulk Send Documents page. On this page, a list of all onboarding documents is listed. The status of each document is displayed for easy recognition of incomplete documents. To send the reminder to an employee, I locate one of the documents waiting for the employee's signature. Upon hovering over the document, the reminder icon is displayed. I can send a manual reminder using this icon, or by clicking the context menu and selecting the reminder option. You can also choose to send manual reminders from the overview page of this document. To do this, I click the document to navigate to its overview page. The document details are displayed. Next, I move to the Auto Reminder column and click the Remind Now link. The Remind Now dialog box appears. The dialog box displays the number and recipient's details associated with the document. In case of multiple recipients, you can select the recipients to whom you want to send the reminder by enabling or disabling their respective checkboxes. Next, I move to the Message field. This field is optional. I enter the message and click the Remind Now button. Now, the reminder is sent successfully, and the Remind Now option is disabled, as users can only send 1 reminder a day for each document. If I try to send another reminder by clicking the Remind Now link, a message will appear, alerting me that my manual reminder limit has been reached, and I cannot send another reminder. Then I proceed to send a manual reminder to the next employee. Now, employees will receive the reminder email along with the message. Additionally, the email contains a link for reviewing and signing the document, enabling the employees to complete the signing process. That summarizes how to send manual reminders to recipients of bulk send documents in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.